Are you planning to mount a TV on drywall without any metal studs? Well, we have the perfect solution for you guys where the CondoMounts has this TV mounting kit. This is the one. This is the CondoMounts drywall metal stud mounting kit. What do you get with this? Alright, let's open this, and the first thing that you get is this titanium drill bit. Alright, these are for toggle bolts or hollow wall anchors or even elephant anchors we call them. So this is the example of the titanium drill bit which could go through metal studs and also drywall, and this is made to fit the toggle bolt. Well, this is a half-inch drill bit, and here is the hollow wall anchor or elephant anchor or toggle bolt, whatever you call them. These are the easiest wall anchors to be used on drywall with or without metal studs. Right, and they also include the screws and also the washers, right? The washers that can be used with this TV mounting kit. Right, next, CondoMounts, we do also offer fixed TV mounts suitable for drywall without any metal studs, guys, without any metal studs. Right, as you can see here, the metal stud is here, and I have mounted this on a drywall without any metal studs. So just to show you guys what's happening behind, I have used a plexiglass right here, and you can see that it is really sturdy. It can withstand heavy weight, but make sure you don't mount a articulating or the mount where it comes out from the drywall. That would injure your drywall. So, perfect solution for those who want to mount a TV on drywall. CondoMounts has everything.